Struggling to keep your bowling ball clean and maintain consistent shots? The Storm Shammy might just be the tool you didn't know you needed. Designed to remove oil effortlessly, this chamois helps you get a more reliable reaction from your ball, shot after shot. Whether you're practicing or competing, keeping your ball oil-free is crucial, and this product makes it easier than ever. What sets the Storm Shammy apart is its simplicity and effectiveness. Just hand wash it in your sink when it gets dirty, then let it air dry. No complicated maintenance, no mess. Plus, it's compact, measuring 4 inches in all dimensions, so it fits easily in your bowling bag without taking up space. Users love the fun new color options Storm offers, adding a bit of personality to your gear. While some wish it were a bit larger, most agree it's the perfect size for quick, on-the-go cleaning during games. If you're serious about improving your game, the Storm Shammy offers clear benefits: better ball control, more consistent lane reaction, and a quick, hassle-free way to stay sharp. Worth a look if you want to keep your ball performing at its best every time. Try it when you're ready to see the difference a clean ball can make.